The iX3 debuts with a new BMW faceware light replacing chrome. Vertically oriented kidneys framed by a horizontal light signature and ultra-slim DRLs. The front is upright, with large lower intakes and reduced surface trim so the kidneys and twin headlights take center stage. Overall stance is broad, with strong shoulders. The new light graphics make it instantly recognizable day or night. 2026 GLC new grille marks an important milestone. The grille of the all-electric GLC has evolved into an illuminated, high-tech artwork. The redesigned radiator grille preserves the essence of Mercedes-Benz, conveying prestige and status through reduction, clean lines, and technology. The new GLC is the first model to bear this iconic grille. Its features include a wide chromed frame, a smoked glass look mesh structure, and integrated contour lighting. BMW iX3. Surfaces are clean with only a few precise lines. The roofline is slim and slightly downward sloping for aero efficiency. Flush door handles sit within a body side that looks cut from a single mold, while the muscular stature comes from full body color wheel arches and squared shoulders. The classic Hofmeister kink and a low character line stretch the car visually. 2026 Mercedes GLC has a cab-forward design with a sleek, flowing roofline. The surfaces are pure and clean, with reduced lines to create a dynamic, almost coupe-like appearance. The door handles are flush with the body, enhancing the smooth, windswept look. It's designed to look like a single, seamless sculpture. In side-by-side comparison, the 2026 GLC is reported to be 2 inches longer than the 2026 iX3 and uses a less angular roofline, giving a gentler, more rounded silhouette. BMW iX3. The rear continues the reduction theme with large, clean surfaces and a new light signature that emphasizes width. The BMW iX3 again reinterprets a classic brand cue. The taillights are a horizontal interpretation of the signature BMW shape, extending well into the center of the rear end. This design creates a powerful and athletic stance, making the car look wide and planted on the road. A lower black band and diffuser element add visual punch, aligning with the SUV's athletic shoulders. It's a powerful and confident sign-off that connects the car's future with its past. The rear view of new GLC is characterized by its innovative two-part lights. Their captivating star motif catches the eye both day and night. Another highlight is the two-piece roof spoiler with its black lip, which also adds visual height to the SUV. Stepping inside reveals the most dramatic difference between these two rivals. BMW centers the cabin on Panoramic iDrive. Two key elements define it: BMW Panoramic Vision, an information band projected along the base of the windscreen so the driver glances down without leaving the road. A new free-cut central display next to the wheel. Together with a redesigned iconic steering wheel and operating system X, the layout is deliberately reduced and driver-focused, aiming for quick comprehension with minimal distraction. Mercedes-Benz GLC. The headline feature is the Hyperscreen stretching across the dash, about 39.1 inches, creating a continuous glass surface that anchors the entire interior look. The steering wheel and seats adopt a more traditional Mercedes form factor to balance the futurist screen with familiar touchpoints. BMW's brief is hands on the wheel, eyes on the road. GLC's Hyperscreen approach emphasizes a unified visual hub for infotainment, navigation, and comfort functions. The look is sleek and continuous. The control logic is familiar Mercedes, with a large central surface and supportive physical controls where needed. BMW prioritizes decluttered driver ergonomics. Mercedes leans into a single, cinematic control surface. BMW iX3. The cabin is uncluttered and warm, a floating instrument panel with fabric surfaces and atmospheric backlighting. Large windows and an optional panoramic roof for a light-filled space. Seat design is new, elegant, slim, long-trip comfortable, with a sofa-like rear bench. Trims range from Econeer/Veganza to BMW individual merino and M-flavored options. All-new Mercedes GLC emphasizes tech-forward luxury with the Hyperscreen as sculpture, complemented by traditional Mercedes cues in the wheel and seating. Upholstery spans MB text and leather, and an optional vegan package is available. The overall ambiance reads classic Mercedes comfort wrapped around a dramatic digital stage. BMW iX3 is minimalist lounge with tactile fabrics. GLC is classic Mercedes richness, anchored by a giant display. Early headline numbers favor BMW. 2026 BMW iX3 range targets around 800 kilometers WLTP and peak DC charging up to 400 kilowatts on an 800-volt architecture. Mercedes details emphasize premium Mercedes GLC with EQ technology and the debut of the new in-car tech. Range and charging will vary by GLC variant, but position the SUV competitively in the mid-size luxury class. Independent comparisons published around the premieres suggest iX3 may carry a larger usable battery and quicker 10-minute recovery WLTP spec than the GLC 400 EQ. If you want immersive theater and a statement cabin, the Mercedes GLC EQ technology leans toward luxury as experience, screens, ambiance, and design drama. If you prefer clarity, range leadership, and driver-centric panoramic iDrive, and innovation operating system X, the BMW iX3 feels like the pick. Evolving the SAV formula with cleaner design and a calm, focused cockpit.